Hi, I'm Rosa with West Coast Sweat, and today we're going to talk about one of the most basic fundamental ab exercises in Pilates. It's called the hundreds. So we're going to break it down step by step, and this exercise is something that we do a lot in our Inferno hot Pilates classes. So we're going to break it down so that you're doing it creating the right awareness in your body, which is going to get you the most results. So let's break it down. Yeah, shall we? All right, thanks. We've got Abby and Lily. I should have said they're here with us today joining us. All right, ladies, you're going to lay down on your back. The first thing you want to do, because you want to set up in proper order. So lay down on your back, bring your knees in. Bring your knees in. Make sure your stomach muscle is tight. So you're creating a C shape with your spine. In Pilates, we usually do either a neutral spine or a C shape. So right now, create the C shape. Lift your chest, neck, and shoulders off the ground. Bring your chin in. Send your legs out to 45 degrees. Send your arms out. So make sure your arm muscles are nice and tight. Set, go. You got it. So as you're pumping, you want to create resistance. So make sure your arm muscles are nice and tight. See if you can bring your chest up a little bit more, your chin in, belly tight. Change. That was really good. How was that? You feel it? Even in that, right? It only takes a couple of seconds and you start feeling it. But we're going to show you, so especially if you're creating the strength in your body, there are steps to take so that you can work in proper form. One step is you can bring a knee down. So this is another variation. So let's try it with a knee down. One leg down, 1 foot down. Yes. So same thing. So you're going to bring your chest, neck, and shoulders off the ground, your arms out, pull your belly nice and tight, set, and go. So again, make sure your arm muscles are tight. Create the C shape with your spine. Muscles are even tight. Pump harder, change. So that's a great variation as you're building strength. The last key hack in this exercise is when your legs are out, you want to make sure you activate your glutes. So the glutes, I always say, they're the strongest muscle group in our body, yet they're the first to kind of want to like coast out on the side. You have to engage them, make them a part, tell them that they belong, right? They belong in your body in this exercise, especially in all exercises. So let's do it one more time. How are you guys doing? With me? Yes. All right, here we go. Bring your knees in, chest, neck, and shoulders off the ground. Send your legs out. Your arms are nice and tight. Set, go. I feel like I have a timer in my hand. Now, make sure your glute muscles are tight. Stomach muscles in. That's good. Chest up. Change. Nice work. All right. How was this? Are you ready to do hundreds next time in Inferno Hot Pilates? Join us. Book your next class now, and we can't wait to see you on your mat.